How to set up alerts in Facebook Marketplace. Ever wish you could be the first to know when that perfect item gets listed on Facebook Marketplace? Whether you are hunting for a vintage treasure or rare collection or just a great deal, setting up alerts can be your secret weapon. So let's dive into how you can stay ahead of the game with Facebook Marketplace alerts. So first of all, open Facebook application on your device. Make sure to log in and sign in to your account. Then select the three-bar icon or the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen to access the menu section. On this menu page, tap on Marketplace icon. Now you will reach on this place where you have to select the profile at the top right corner of the screen and then scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Tap on Settings option and then choose Notifications. From this different kinds of option, you have to select Updates. And then here are different kinds of items in cart are available. You simply need to toggle on the bottom of those particular items and ensure that notifications for saved searches are turned on. This way, you will receive alerts whenever a new item matching your search is listed. And then you can easily, in this way, set up alerts in Facebook Marketplace. So that is how we do it. I hope this video worked for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.